Yup. Wake up, bake up. Gotta stay away from all these snakes, bruh. They some fakers. I'm a player like the Lakers. Feeling like I'm Kobe. Feel like Obi-Wan Kenobi. Better act like you know me. This a freestyle. Meanwhile, I had to go and kick it. Niggas tripping, and I had to hit him with that hammer. Catch me with the cannon. Got the cannon, and he shooting at me. Hands up. These niggas can't do it like I do it. I'm spitting fluid. You got the noose around your neck. It's like a chain. So much material things got us confused. You sleep, you snooze, you lose. You can get hit. Bruce Lee, I kick you, bruise. Damn, like a pear or some fruit. You drop, you wouldn't bust a grape. These dudes tripping. I said it before. They all snakes in the grass. Got them on low. I gotta cut them up. Yeah, I had to fuck them up. Had to go and punch them up. Uppercut. Hadoken. I'm still smoking. Got that hydro. It's potent. I ain't freestyle this nasty in a long time. I'm about to switch it up. This ain't a long rhyme. It's been 2 minutes, 38 seconds. Feeling like the Reverend. I'm still preaching. Call me the deacon. These niggas ain't nothing. They ain't speaking. Be quiet. Better sit back on the side. I feel like I'm on fire. About to grip your girl like pliers. She open up her legs just cause I'm here. Niggas tripping in the last seat. That's rear. And I pick up my iPhone. Call up your girl and I'm like, what's up, baby? I'm home. Okay. Feeling classic. I'm feeling classic. Feeling asthmatic. I had to go and spaz on it. That's spasmatic. I'm saying my own shit. I'm all on some grown shit. Young man turning to a boss man. About to keep it clean like my teeth when I floss, man. You off, man. Shooting off, hitting bricks. About to go and hit a lick. Not on nobody on these beats. Gimme shit. About to go and eat it up like I'm Rocky Balboa. Meet me in the ring with your girl. I just might beat it up, but nah, I'm not no cheater, bruh. Truthfully, I got a queen, thick as hell, and she mean. And she wear my jersey, so that means she's on my fucking team. Goddamn, you missed the clean. Looking ball, going hard. Goddamn, I'm a fucking star. Astro planets. She got ass like Janet. And I gotta go and spit it so you can understand it. I never planned it. This is a real freestyle, not no written shit. This ain't no spitting shit. I'm just spitting, bitch. Get back, hot you. I'm sick as I sneeze and I'm flowing like the breeze. Gotta fall like a leaf. Nah, I'm never falling. I'm just balling. This my Jordan year, August 20th. I feel like Jordan. Goddamn, you's a Spalding ass nigga bouncing down the street to some whack shit. Yup. I'm on some Tupac and Mac shit. That means that I'm a real pimp. Like 8 Ball and MJG. They can't see, they so Stevie. I feel like Weezy on Carter 3. Whoa. Lock and load, these niggas is toads. And ain't nobody kissing you to turn you to a prince. Y'all niggas ain't shit. Kwame, he spit, Is it gonna change up? And do I gotta flame up? Another one. DJ Khaled, another one. Motherfuck your son. I don't know you, you ain't my type. Yeah, I live the high life. I live the fly life. What am I saying? I'm still spraying. Got dressed like I'm Jamaican. She over here, pussy shaking. Goddamn, she is quaking like an earthquaker. I just might take her. You niggas is tripping, you's a faker. Yep, I don't even deal with your type. I don't know none of you fools. People tripping cause this flow is wet. Spitting like a pool in the ocean. Niggas know that none of this is written or wrote, and I'm trying to keep going. I think I'm losing my focus, losing my balance. No J. Cole. These niggas tripping and I gotta be a diamond in the rough just like a coal on my soul. Feeling like it's about to blow. Feeling like it's about to blow. Hit you with that dirty flow. Damn, it's blowing just like snow. I can keep on spitting, I can keep on going forever. The flow is clever, you not clever, never. These niggas nothing, I'm hot as a sweater. It's July, feeling fly, just might die. Niggas know that I'm that guy, cooking like some fucking fries up on the stove. Give me the glove, give me the wrist. I'm about to whip. That's what you wanna hear. Get back, this that clear shit, that ever clear. Take a shot of gin and juice. Goddamn, I'm feeling loose. I'm not even in the booth. Used to see just what I write. These niggas tripping. Say she wanna suck me all fucking night. Damn, I'm so explicit. You just need to listen. Cause when I blow up, you be like, damn, Kwame, I miss him. Cause I don't even know you. I don't owe you. Get no hands out. Talking to me, better step back. You get no hands out. I don't even dap you up if you got your hand out. Yup. These niggas tripping. What they saying about nothing. nothing. If your girl fat, but I'ma tummy tuck it. You just a sucker. I just might pluck her wings off. She ain't that fly. Niggas trippin', say I got KK. You ain't that high. You ain't even that guy. Probably wearing your homeboy shit. You ain't even got your money. Go home, bitch. I'm about to stack it up and stack it up. Probably get a racking up. I just had to act right up. Be just switching, goddamn fuck.